Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add text on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. After that, click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add text on. Go to Pages, select the page you want to work on. If you want to work on one of your blog posts, just go to your blog, then go to blog content and click on one of these articles. To add text to one of your blog post articles or even your Squarespace pages, just select the page from this panel, then click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode in Squarespace. As you can see, now I can grab elements on my page. To add text to your page, just click on this plus blue button, select this text block and start writing your text. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. To edit your text, you can simply make it a little bit, make it bigger, or a simple text. You can make it bold, italic. You can also edit the text color from here. You can also add a link to a page, to an external page, to a file, even to an email or a phone number, or select between the pages available on your site just from this list. You can also align, center your text or not, and you can also delete the text block just like that. And you can also use these arrows to return to your actions. Make sure to save your work after you complete your editing. Then click on this exit button to go into the preview mode. This is your website live, and this is how to add text in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.